going nice and slow. Keep going. You're going to come straight up. Don't grab anything. Stop. Drop it. Hands right here. Feet in these pockets. Step up. Push up. Up. All right, now come on up. How was that? Now you're going to do it again.
It was fun once I went. And I didn't really hesitate, did I?
Paul Bear? That's Karen! You're amazing! Round 2. Better to take it dive. No, it's real. 100-foot club. There we go.
Cherish, you in the 100-foot club? Are you really doing this again?
Kind of fun.
Kind of fun?
Alright, ready? Stand up straight. In 5.
Oh, hey, let me. I'm so scared.
Got this, Derek.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, she is bouncing so high. She is bouncing like no tomorrow.
Well, it's working nicely warm.